Today we will learn names of the months in Urdu. Mahina. Mahina is called month. Mahina is called month. Mahina, month. Mahine. Mahine means months. Mahine is a plural of mahina. So mahine means months. Mahine, months. For month we use another word. It is mah. Mah is used in singular as well as plural. So mah means month or months. Mah, month or months. साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. There are 12 months in a year. साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. There are 12 months in a year. साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. There are 12 months in a year. Or we can also say साल में 12 माह होते हैं. There are 12 months in a year. साल में 12 माह होते हैं. There are 12 months in a year. साल में 12 माह होते हैं. There are 12 months in a year. इन महीनों के नाम हैं. The names of these months are. इन महीनों के नाम हैं. The names of these months are. इन महीनों के नाम हैं. The names of these months are. January, 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 that is January. In Urdu we say January, and in English we say January, January. So January is January. January is January. February is February. February is February. February is February. March is March. March is March. March is March. April is April. April is April. April is April. May is May. May is May. May is May. June is June. June is June. June is June. July is July. July is July. July is July. August is August. August is August. August is August. September is September. September is September. September is September. October is October. October is October. October is October. November is November. November is November. November is November. December is December. December is December. December is December.